Good morning, guys. Today we're going on the CV 728 up the mountains to see the fantastic views up there. My starting point wasn't exactly in a town, but I think you can work out by the map of the route to get up there. It's worth a look. Beautiful sunny day today, as you can see. The temperature's about 18-19 degrees. A little bit of a sharp wind, but it's a beautiful spring day. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been up this way. You know, I never get tired of this. There's so many places around here. Nice trips for bikes. It's unbelievable. And especially when the weather's good. If you like this video, perhaps you'd do me a favour and subscribe to the channel and maybe give it a like. It really helps a lot. Thank you very much. That's some view, huh? You know, it really takes your breath away. If you enjoyed this, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.